My name is Delores Knipp. I'm on faculty at CU Boulder and have been working on a National Science Foundation proposal to do an upgrade to a data assimilation technique that's used pretty often within this community. But in the process of doing that, we agreed that we would put together a student tutorial and try and bring in actually a number of perspectives. So you're going to get 4 perspectives on data assimilation. The first one's going to be given by Lucas Shearless, and he's doing Data Assimilation Techniques 101. And then Tomoko Matsuao is going to do Data Assimilation Techniques 102. and, or 105. And Joseph Keller, who was going to be here, unfortunately cannot because his home is in Los Alamos and he's trying to take care of matters up there. But his postdoc, Umberto, is here and will be doing Data Assimilation 103, primarily looking at what goes on in terms, or what are the needs and techniques used in data assimilation for the magnetosphere. And then we have this really great add-on at the end, Gary Bust, who is not here right now, but he's going to be giving you just the real basics of about 3 or 4 techniques that involve both data assimilation and other forms of data inclusion and data insertion into models.